Phrasal verbs about dressing. Put on. To wear something. I need to put on my coat before we go outside. Try on. To put on clothing to see if it fits. I want to try on this dress to see if it fits properly. Dress up. To wear formal or special clothing. I have to dress up for the formal dinner or tea. Zip up. To close something with a zipper. Make sure to zip up your coat before going out in the cold. Button up. To fasten the buttons. She buttoned up her shirt before heading to the meeting. Throw on. To put on clothing without much thought. She just threw on a t-shirt and jeans for the casual outing. Take off. To remove something you're wearing. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. Dress up as. To wear a costume to look like someone. For Halloween, she dressed up as a witch. Roll up. To fold or gather clothing. He rolled up his sleeves before starting the work. Belt up. To wear a belt with clothing. Don't forget to belt up your dress to define your waist. Hang up. To place clothing on a hanger. After trying it on, please hang up the dress. Match up. To pair clothing items that complement each other. She matched up her shoes with a skirt. Swim in. To wear clothing that is excessively large for you. The oversized sweater made her look like she was swimming in it. Accessorize with. To add accessories to enhance an outfit. She accessorized with a bold necklace to make her simple dress stand out. Thanks for watching.